Hey, good morning. So today I'm going to be replacing the lock on the storm door. It is a Larson brand, so that's what we got. So it would make sure it fits correctly. So let's get to it. This is just a straightforward operation. We will just it's got screws already in place, and what we'll do is just take the old one off and bolt the new one on, and that should be it. So we have the lock, the part that goes on the back of the door, the outside of the door, the keys to it, an Allen key. This is the front of the door. This is the inside plate, and both handles. All right, so the first thing, okay, so I got my door blocked open, and the first thing we'll do is remove this door handle using the enclosed Allen key. And notice that the lever is, the up is like a smile. So when we put the new one on, we'll put it on the same way. Then we'll remove these two bolts. And remove this plate. So this should slide out. And there we go. That's the old, out with the old and in with the new. Now we have the new one. Put the new handle in. And the new, see how it has like a little X? See how this is flat? It will just go into that X. Just like that. Now we'll tighten the screws. Make sure they're lined up. And install the new handle. Yes, do you hear it snap in place? Make sure that it's flush with the door. And now check to make sure the keys work. And there you have it. So if you've noticed, I did not remove this side plate. This stays on, and it's only these, the front and the back, which we replace. Now we have our new keys, and we're all set. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it, and you all have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.